Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw crypto from ByBit to Binance. First of all, check out my links in the description if you haven't signed up to ByBit or Binance already, and then you will get a really big bonus from both of these. Now, let's dive into on ByBit. You want to go ahead and click withdraw, and you want to choose the cryptocurrency which you want to go ahead and withdraw. So for example, let's choose Solana. And it is on Solana network, as you can see. So you need an address now. So to find an address, as of course, we need to go ahead to Binance and click deposit, click on Sol, basically just find Solana coin and choose Solana network. After that, you will have your network deposit address, which you go ahead and copy, just like so. Now go back to your ByBit and enter the address here. And once you have entered the address, you will now enter the amount and click withdraw, and that's it. Your Solana will be, or some other cryptocurrency will be on your Binance. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.